Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. Today, we will be discussing with you Rubbermaid Power Scrubber Polish and Ultrasonic Essential Oil Diffuser. Let's begin with Rubbermaid Power Scrubber. Say goodbye to that manky old toothbrush and hello to a Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. This cleaning beast helps scrub nooks and crannies around your home, including grout lines, shower details and faucet areas, minus the elbow grease. Featuring two cleaning modes, the oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second and is watertight. This pack even includes a bonus scrubbing head. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber cleans up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing. With 3 different brush attachments suitable for all kinds of tasks around the home and designed to clean even in hard to reach spaces. You can toss the old toothbrush and get cleaning chores done faster with the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. The Rubbermaid Power Scrubber adds power to your cleaning routine. The complete home kit features a power scrubber with interchangeable extra large detail, grout, microfiber and non-scratch scrubber heads. The kit is perfect for tackling messes throughout the home, including kitchen, bathroom and outdoor messes. The assembly is water resistant, so you can depend on the tool even if it gets wet. The switch gives you the ability to use a pulse or continuous setting to meet any need you have. The power scrubber has an ergonomic grip and rubberized molding for comfortable cleaning. The power scrubber delivers 6 volts of power with the included 2 batteries. It comes with a 1 to 2 inch general purpose cleaning head and is compatible with both 1 inch circular head and grout scrubber head. Here are some of the features. Use on grout lines, shower details, faucet areas and more. Watertight, interchangeable accessory brushes give you the right tool for the job. Water resistant assembly for durability you expect from Rubbermaid. Pulse and continuous scrubbing settings. Ergonomic grip and rubberized molding for comfortable cleaning. Tool delivers 6 volts of power, 4 AA batteries included. Now let's move towards Ultrasonic Essential Oil Diffuser. What do nebulizing diffusers do? A nebulizing diffuser is a device that people use for aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is the use of essential oils to enhance health, beauty and well-being. People may apply diluted essential oils to their skin or inhale them. Nebulizing diffusers work by forcing a stream of air at high pressure through small tubes that contain essential oil. This stream of air turns the oil into a fine mist and distributes it around the room. Here are some of the benefits of nebulizing diffusers. Nebulizing diffusers do not use water or heat to distribute essential oils into the air. This may make them more advantageous than other types of diffusers. For example, unlike ultrasonic diffusers, nebulizing diffusers do not use water to create mist and so do not increase levels of indoor humidity. Also, some diffusers use a candle or another heating element to evaporate the oil. However, essential oils are flammable, so diffusing them with an open flame may not be safe. Depending on the design, a nebulizing diffuser may be made only of wood and glass. This might appeal to people looking to reduce their plastic consumption. No longer will you need to worry about whether or not you blew your scented candle out or extinguish your incense before bed, or if you have enough water in the oil burner to last the night. XCXP Oil Diffuser Aromatherapy Humidifier. This is a revolutionary new aromatherapy delivery device. Unlike conventional candles or oil burners that require heat to disperse the aromatic oils, or reed diffusers that work via evaporation and can't be regulated. XCXP Ultrasonic Aromatherapy Diffuser work by breaking down water infused with your favorite essential oil and transforming it into a microscopic cool mist that easily dissipates throughout your room or workspace. They are also designed to help increase the humidity within a room or workspace to help with respiratory problems and dry skin issues. Today, many people prefer this type of humidification because it is considered a safer alternative as there is no boiling water within the vaporizing unit. With no naked flames, loose liquids or hot water, our line of aroma diffusers are perfect for use around the young, elderly or pets. So if you are looking for natural aerosol and chemically free environment, you can't go past XCXP Ultrasonic Aromatherapy Diffuser. The shell of this essential oil humidifier is made up of metal material and has a beautiful tree shape. This unique design allows it to be used as an aroma machine as well as a beautiful home decoration. This tree-shaped fragrance diffuser is widely used in bedroom, office, spa and other places. No noise. This fragrance vaporizer uses ultrasonic technology to greatly reduce the sound produced during work. When it works, the sound is very small, basically no noise, and will not disturb your work, study and sleep. Even at night, you can use it with confidence. Color changes scent. This fragrance oil mister has 7 soft light colors and can be used as a night light to adjust the sleeping atmosphere. It has 2 adjustable light modes, cyclical automatic change and fixed one, color. You can freely adjust according to your needs. Timer and mist mode. This aromatherapy mist humidifier has a timer function with 3 timers, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. It has 2 cold fog modes, continuous and intermittent, and the mist mode is adjustable. You can change the strong fog or weak fog by pressing the high-low button. BPA free and auto shut down. The aroma diffuser is made of BPA free materials, non-toxic and harmless, and does not generate heat when working. When there is no water in the water tank, it will automatically shut off to ensure the safety of use and save electricity. The metal shell on the top of the diffuser is detachable, making it easy to clean the inside. This product is a combination of cold mist diffuser, water humidifier, pretty night light, and home decor. It has a 300 ml capacity water tank. It can produce cold mist continuously or intermittently. BPA free, no heat, non-toxic, and harmless. To ensure normal use, it is recommended to clean up regularly. The light and the mist modes can work individually or together. They are really amazing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.